Wow! Today we will learn cleaning items. Let's discover amazing cleaning tools. Are you ready to learn? Cleaning tools help keep things clean. Let's start our cleaning adventure. Learning is fun. Let's go! Cool! Plunger. It helps unclog drains. Wonderful! Scrubbing pad. It removes tough stains. Awesome! Cleaning brush. It helps clean small spaces. Wow! Feather duster. It removes dust from furniture. Amazing! Cleaning wipes. They clean surfaces quickly. Fantastic! Disinfectant spray. It helps kill germs. Cool! Spray bottle. It's spray cleaning liquid. Amazing! Cleaning caddy. It carries cleaning tools. Great! Paper towels. They help clean spills. Fantastic! Window wiper. It keeps windows clean. Wonderful! Dusting cloth. It wipes away dust. Awesome! Hand brush. It helps scrub surfaces. Awesome! Duster. A duster removes dust. Great! Trash can. Trash goes inside it. Wow! Trash bag. It holds waste safely. Amazing! All-purpose cleaner. It cleans many surfaces. Wonderful! Toilet cleaner. It keeps toilets clean. Fantastic! Floor cleaner. It makes floors sparkle. Awesome! Laundry detergent. It cleans clothes. Great! Bleach. It removes stains. Cool! Glass cleaner. It makes glass shine. Wonderful! Scrubbing pad. It removes tough stains. Awesome! Cleaning brush. It cleans small spaces. Wow! Soap. Soap helps clean our hands. Amazing! Hand sanitizer. It helps keep hands clean. Fantastic! Air freshener. It makes rooms smell fresh. Wow! Feather duster. It removes dust gently. Amazing! Cleaning wipes. They clean surfaces quickly. Fantastic! Disinfectant spray. It helps kill germs. Cool! Stain remover. It removes tough stains. Wonderful! Magic eraser. It cleans marks quickly. Awesome! Carpet brush. It cleans carpets. Cool! Toilet brush. It helps clean toilets. Amazing! Squeegee. It cleans windows. Wonderful! Rubber gloves. They protect our hands. Fantastic! Dish soap. It cleans dishes. Great! Microfiber cloth. It wipes away dust. Nice! Scrub brush. It removes tough dirt. Wonderful! Vacuum cleaner. It picks up dust. Awesome! Sponge. A sponge absorbs water.
Wow! Bucket! A bucket holds water. Amazing! Mop! A mop cleans the floor.
Wow! We learned many cleaning items. Cleaning tools help keep things clean. Keeping clean is important. A clean home is a happy home. Like this video. Subscribe for more learning and see you next time.